Starting off with a clean face, you're going to do your normal foundation routine. Now using an eye primer, prime your eyelid. Then using a very nice dark black eyeshadow, you're going to put it all over your eyelid. On the crease of your eye, you're going to put some silver white eyeshadow on. Blend the two colors together. Then using your favorite eyeliner, you're going to draw a cat eye, of course. Remember to line your waterline too. Then curl your eyelashes and put lots of coats of mascara on. Completely optional, but you can darken your eyebrows. Now using a black face paint, you're going to paint a small triangle for your nose, then little dots underneath your nose and whiskers. For the lips, you can go bold and use red lipstick, or you can use black lipstick like I'm using. To complete the look is the cat ears. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this look was very simple, but hey, cats can be cute and kind of scary on Halloween, just saying. So please like my Facebook page, subscribe to my channel, leave comments below, give it a thumbs up, and go share this video. And I promise you, we're working our way up to gory stuff, I promise. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!